Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge the Vivo Y72 5G above 50% and connect power to avoid interruptions. Back up your important data to cloud or PC so you can restore quickly if something goes wrong. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and free up at least 2 GB of storage. This prevents failed downloads. Once these are done, open Settings and move directly to System Update. This begins the update process without unnecessary delay. You check for the update in Settings under System Update and tap Check Now so the phone queries Vivo servers. If an update appears, download it only on Wi-Fi to save data and keep the phone idle. Background activity can slow installation. Once the package is downloaded, tap Install and let the device reboot automatically. Do not force power off during applying. This sequence ensures the firmware and security patches are properly written to storage and verified on reboot. You finish by completing any first-time setup prompts and signing back into account so services resume. Verify the OS version in Settings and test core functions like calls, camera, Wi-Fi, and important apps to confirm stability. If you encounter problems, clear the system cache or retry the update. If that fails, restore from the backup you created earlier. This troubleshooting path resolves most issues quickly and explains why backups and checks are essential before and after updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.